All of you, welcome back once again. So finally we are about to end this particular year. Only one day is left. So before we wrap up this year, I just want to thanks all of you guys, the way you guys have followed all the videos which I have published so far. I published more than 600 video. We have built tons of project. You guys have given your amazing feedback on the videos about the project, about the quality of content we try to bring on the channel, so you guys can simply follow and learn blockchain development. We had a lot of fun this year, and I hope you guys have enjoy all the project we have built, and we're going to build a lot of project in the coming year as well. So I thought let's make a dedicated video where I can personally thanks all of you guys, the way you guys have supported me, the way you guys have followed all the videos, the way you guys have guided me based on the topics, based on the tutorials, based on the project, which taught me a lot throughout this year. In the next year, I'm planning to bring something new. I'll try to expand my team, so I'm going to take few of you into my team. We're going to have a coding round challenges, we're going to have an interview round challenges, we're going to have a lot of DeFi protocol projects, an NFT project which is really very demandable right now and is going to be very demandable in the future as well, as per the trend which we can see at the moment. The investment is coming based on the security, based on the protocol, based on the DeFi management. So tons of things are happening in the Web3 ecosystem. I'll try to cover all those things because being in the industry, I can see how rapidly things are changing, how rapidly things are improving. The model is exactly the same, but based on the model, some new technologies, some new frameworks, some new feature is evolving. So how we can simply keep ourselves up to date, how we can simply learn faster so we can make ourselves relevant in the industry. We have built tons of projects. We have more than 50 plus projects on our channel, and many of you guys have dedicatedly follow, build and learn a lot. I got amazing feedback. I would encourage you that if you haven't built any one of the project, make sure to go and check. There you will find all type of project which will help you to understand that how decentralized app exactly work, how you can build one, how you can build your own NFT marketplace, how you can build your decentralized exchange, how you can build your NFT marketplace, how you can build your supply chain management, how you can build your decentralized app management, voting organization. We have tons of project. So simply go and watch and build project. In 2025, I'm trying to expand my team, as I told you. So we are getting a lot of work at the moment. So I thought let's expand our team so we can work in multiple projects at a single time. So that's why I'm trying to expand my team, and I'm going to take few of you in my team. So we're going to have multiple interview round. We're going to have your portfolio review. We will see that what you have built, how you have built, what is your level of understanding about the blockchain, because I need someone who can build end-to-end product. So that kind of candidate I'm looking for. Soon I'm going to put an update. A video will come where you will have a detailed discussion about that, how we're going to simply plan the interview session, how we're going to simply take your portfolio, and what are the entire process. We're going to discuss extensively in that. But before I go, I just want to thank all of you guys, the way you guys have supported me this year. That means a lot, and Happy New Year in advance. We have one day to go, but this is going to be the last video for me in this year. The next video will come in 2025. So see you there, and we're going to have a lot of project which you're going to build together. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.